Oh man, hold up, bro. Yo, what's up, man? Yo, welcome back to the YouTube channel, man. Yo, I'm Bass. Yo, nice to meet you guys, bro. For the ones that are new, and for the ones that aren't new, bro, it's nice to see you guys again, bro. Seriously, man. Look, I know I look like weird right now, but whatever, man. It's cold as hell, and it's on the beanie. I got this, like, I don't know, whatever. But look, man, this is what we're gonna do, bro. I got a request from, well, I get requests from all of you guys all the time, but there's one in particular that got a lot of likes. There's like 10 likes on this one from a person named STARCORE, I think it was. I think it was STARCORE, and they wanted me to listen to the song from Barely Alive and Virtual Riot called Basement Dwellers. That is the name of the song. So we're gonna do that. I've heard of Virtual Riot before. I've heard of Barely Alive before. I've only listened to like one song or two songs from Virtual Riot, and Barely Alive, I think he's got one song I heard off of the OWSLA playlist years ago, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna get into it, man. We're gonna have fun with this, and never heard this before, so let's do it. Let's get to it, man. Okay. Elevator music. Okay. Alright. Yo, there's some good elevator music out there, bro. I don't know what y'all have heard. Ooh. Okay. I feel like I'm in like a pop room or something. Like in the 1980s or something. Okay. Oh, we're going down again. Okay.
Basement.
Oh!
Going down.
Hold up, bro. Yo, what just, oh man. Yo. What the, oh man. That sound design though. Oh my goodness. Well, yeah, we gotta play that back a little bit. There, let's do it.
Going down. Basement. Going down.
Going down, okay. Hold up, wait. I know this is about to be another drop. I know it is. But am I ready for it though? Like, am I really ready for this? Like, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Am I ready for the second drop? Because it is virtual Riot. I heard he is like one of the Jesuses of dubstep. Okay, that's what somebody in the comment section said. At least on one of my videos. But am I ready? Let's rewind a little bit. Let's do it.
Basement. Going down. Going down. Basement.
That was, yo,
Thank you.
that's disgusting. That's disgusting.
Goodbye.
Later.
The song is over.
The song's
Please
over,
go home
man.
now.
Okay, I'm going home, bro. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm already here. I'm here. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. Cause that was dude, that was sick as hell, bro. That was sick, bro. Dude, that sound design though. It's like they start you off thinking it's, you know, some poppy shit. Like, you know what I mean? But like, you know, in reality, it turns out to be like some just this dirty ass, like you didn't even see it coming drop. Like you saw it kind of coming, but you didn't expect it to be that kind of drop. You know what I mean? Like that was delicious, bro. That was a delicious drop, bro. Delicious, bro. Delicious. Yo, appreciate y'all, man. Yo, I'm gonna be trying my best to give you guys another video in the next day or two. Yeah, appreciate you guys, all that stuff, man. And yeah, it's been vast, and see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.